What if your next drone could do more than just fly and record videos? Imagine pressing one button and watching your drone deliver a small package, drop fishing bait, or surprise your friends with an aerial gift. Today, we're reviewing the K900 MAX Drone, a foldable drone featuring a built-in screen controller, brushless motors, optical flow positioning, obstacle avoidance, and one-click airdrop functionality. But is this one of the coolest budget drones of 2026, or just another gimmick? Let's find out.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Caring Guy. If you're into drones, smart gadgets, cameras, electric vehicles, and innovative technology, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Now, let's take off with the K900 MAX.
At first glance, the K900 MAX looks surprisingly premium for a budget drone. Its foldable arms make it compact enough to fit inside a backpack, making it ideal for travel and outdoor adventures. Folded dimensions are approximately 15 by 10 by 6.6 centimeters, while unfolded, it expands to about 35 by 18.5 centimeters, giving it a stable flight profile. The drone feels lightweight and portable without sacrificing a modern appearance. One of the biggest highlights is the screen-equipped remote controller. Instead of relying entirely on your smartphone, you can monitor your flight directly from the controller, making setup faster and more convenient. Let's talk about the camera. The K900 MAX features a front-mounted HD camera with a motorized lens that can be remotely adjusted up to 90 degrees. That means you can change the camera angle during flight without landing the drone. This is especially useful for capturing landscapes, buildings, family gatherings, travel footage, outdoor adventures. The drone also includes a downward-facing optical flow camera that helps improve hovering stability while assisting with positioning. While it's not designed to compete with professional cinema drones, it offers a solid experience for casual aerial photography and social media videos. One of the standout upgrades is the use of brushless motors. Compared to traditional brushed motors, brushless motors generally provide more efficient power delivery, longer motor lifespan, reduced maintenance, lower operating noise, and smoother overall flight performance. This gives the drone better reliability during everyday use. For beginners, stable hovering is one of the most important features. The K900 MAX includes optical flow positioning, allowing the drone to maintain a more stable position when flying close to the ground. Combined with altitude hold, this makes controlling the drone much easier. Instead of constantly adjusting the throttle, the drone helps maintain its height automatically. This is especially helpful when recording smoother video. The manufacturer also advertises obstacle avoidance. This feature is designed to help the drone detect certain obstacles during flight and reduce the chance of accidental collisions. However, it's important to remember that obstacle avoidance performance on budget drones can vary depending on lighting conditions, object size, and flying speed. It's a helpful safety feature, but it shouldn't replace careful piloting. Now let's discuss the feature that makes this drone stand out: the one-click airdrop system. Using the built-in release mechanism, the drone can drop lightweight objects while flying. Potential uses include delivering small gifts, dropping fishing bait, releasing lightweight decorations, outdoor experiments, educational demonstrations, and creative drone videos. Keep in mind that payload capacity is limited, so this feature is intended for small, lightweight items rather than heavy deliveries. Always fly responsibly and follow your local drone regulations. The K900 MAX includes several beginner-friendly flight functions. These include one-key takeoff, one-key landing, headless mode, altitude hold, optical flow hovering, speed adjustment, stable hovering, and responsive remote control operation. These features make learning to fly much easier, even for first-time drone pilots. Battery life is always an important consideration. The drone uses an 1800 milliamp rechargeable lithium battery. The manufacturer estimates approximately 15 minutes of flight time per battery under normal conditions. Actual flight time depends on wind conditions, flying speed, payload weight, camera usage, and temperature. Charging takes around 90 minutes, allowing you to get back into the air relatively quickly. Unlike many budget drones that require your phone for live viewing, this version includes a built-in display remote controller. Benefits include faster setup, no phone mounting required, better visibility outdoors, dedicated flight controls, reduced distractions. The controller communicates using 2.4 GHz transmission, helping maintain a stable connection during normal flying conditions. The K900 MAX is ideal for beginner drone pilots, travel enthusiasts, outdoor adventurers, fishing hobbyists, content creators, YouTube beginners, families, and anyone looking for a fun, affordable drone with a unique delivery feature. Let's summarize the advantages. Foldable portable design, built-in screen controller, brushless motors, optical flow positioning, motorized adjustable camera, one-click airdrop function, one-key takeoff and landing, beginner-friendly controls, obstacle avoidance assistance, compact travel size. A few things to consider before buying. Around 15 minutes of flight time. Payload capacity is limited. Obstacle avoidance may not detect every obstacle. Camera quality is best suited for casual use. Wind performance may decrease in stronger conditions. Overall, the K900 MAX offers an impressive feature set for an affordable drone. The combination of brushless motors, optical flow positioning, a screen-equipped controller, adjustable camera, and the fun one-click airdrop feature makes it stand out from many drones in the same price range. While it's not a professional filmmaking drone, it's an enjoyable option for beginners, hobbyists, travelers, and anyone looking to experiment with aerial photography and lightweight drone deliveries. If you're searching for a budget-friendly drone that adds something different to the flying experience, the K900 MAX is definitely worth considering. So, what would you use the airdrop feature for? Fishing bait? A birthday surprise? Or just for fun? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, Caring Guy, and I'll see you in the next one.